So what are rhetorical simulations and how can they help my developmental writing students? That's probably the question on your mind right now. Rhetorical simulations are interactive writing tools that allow students to practice critical thinking skills within the writing process. Let's look at one. The first section in these text-based simulations, students are given a scenario that describes their target audience or their writing goal. They are also given a set of 3 interactive paragraphs. They are asked to choose a paragraph, or you will ask them to choose the paragraph either in the assignment or, if they're in class with you, face-to-face. They are then given a second set of paragraphs and asked again to choose the best one. What you will get is a short assembled piece of writing that students can then discuss with others or turn in to you for feedback so that they can think about what their writing is. That's actually the first of the 3 key advantages. It's called metacognition. Students will learn to model good writing by walking through the process of choosing what good writing is. This process, follow-up discussions either online or face-to-face, will help students to think about why they make the choices they do. Number 2, active learning through repetition. Developmental students often learn better when they can actively put tasks into a real-life context and repeatedly practice the skills needed in that context. In this case, the skill is critical thinking within the writing process. And number 3, Rhet Sims are non-threatening. It's a higher level of engagement because students are not burdened with the initial generation of text. The text is there and they make the choices about it. One of the things that we often find with our developmental students is they say, well, give us a sample. We don't know what we're supposed to write. I don't understand the assignment. This gives them a chance to see what good writing is, to walk through it, to make choices about it. So they assemble it themselves. And when they've walked through that process, they often understand much better what that process is. And they can repeat it, and they can then execute that skill. Remember, too, that many times developmental writing students don't feel they're very good. They've been told they're not very good, and they may have been the chief architect of telling themselves, I don't do this very well. Rhet Sims take their ego off the line by giving students an opportunity to think about and discuss writing samples that others have created. Please remember that rhetorical simulations do not replace the need for orthodox writing instruction. Instead, they allow students of all skill levels to actively practice the thinking skills needed when writing effectively for a given audience. Now, for more information about rhetorical simulations, including best practices in pedagogy, more samples, and customization by subject, level, and learning outcomes, you can visit us at rhetsims.com or email us at rhetsims@gmail.com. Thank you.